Hello, Year 8. I'm just going to make a little video this week to try and give your instructions a little bit more clearly. So firstly, you need to go to the VLE and you need to click All Subjects. And when you've done that, you need to click on the Science Department site. And then you need to go to the Year 8 page, like so. So you should hopefully be really familiar with this because you've been using it the last couple of weeks, but just in case, you go to Forces and then click on Lessons. And this is the page for this half term. So you can see you have got lesson 1 all the way through to lesson 5, taking you from the 20th of April all the way to the 22nd of May, which is the end of this half term. So you've essentially got to do one of these per week. So you should by now have completed lesson 1 force diagrams and lesson 2 gravity. This week you're going to be working on speed and distance time graphs. So you can see that this is to be completed between the 4th and the 7th of May. You've got your learning objectives here, and you can click these buttons to open the PowerPoint and then any worksheets that you need to complete. You don't need to send me any of this work. Okay, you can email me if you've got any questions, but you don't need to send it to me. What you do need to do each week is complete the Seneca assignment that I set you. So you need to go to senecalearning.com and you should see a page similar to this. You go to Classes and Assignments, and you should see 8Z SC3 Miss Franks. Now, you might have other classes from your other teachers, but you should definitely see this tab. Now, what you need to do is you need to look for the Assignments tabs. So in upcoming assignments, this is any assignments that are due in the future. So you can see this is last week's Lesson 2 Gravity, and this is this week's Lesson 3 Speed and Distance Time Graph. And you just press Start Learning and you can start working through the assignment. If you think that you've missed any assignments from the past, you can click Past Assignments, and it should show you any assignments that have been set in the past, and you can see that, well, I haven't completed these, so I can press Start Learning and I can go back and complete these, okay? So even if this was due in previous weeks, it's still important that you go and complete them. Okay, Year 8, so I hope that's made that really, really clear what you've got to do this week. So remember, this week it's Lesson 3, Speed and Distance Time Graphs. Any questions, please just send me an email.